duty-free.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Morning Brew, Wednesday edition of this radio show, May 29, 2024. May 29? Are you kidding me? Ang bilis, no? Oh, May 29. No, 2 days na lang, Hunyo na. Hunyo is the official halfway. We're halfway there. Take my hand and we'll make it, I swear. Oh! Might as well play that song, Living on a Prayer. Halfway na tayo pagdating ng June to 2024. I still feel like we just welcomed 2024. Parang yun lang ang pakiramdam eh. No? Galing, no? Okay, welcome. The Morning Brew Show with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon, 11 straight years now. All right, I want to congratulate the students, yung mga magre-recognition, mga mag-graduate, ayan. Kasi for ceremonies, hindi lang graduation, di ba? May recognition din, yung mga naging top performing students, academic excellence awardees, di ba? Ayan. Okay. Lalong-lalo na yung sa Nelly E. Brown, ayan. Yung grade 2 wisdom. I'm biased here dahil may bunso belongs there. Ayan. Congratulations sa inyo, ha. Mag-ano uli sila. They will be having their recognition ceremony this afternoon. Okay, I'm so proud of you, Bunso. I love you so much. Huh? Okay, he's always been, since he started schooling, since he started in kinder, and this year grade 2 siya, consistent eh, tuloy-tuloy. Yan. Papaakyatin na naman ako sa stage mamaya. Thank you for that, my dear Bunso. Great thing about him, as I said, biased to. Siyempre, Bunso, anak ko, proud daddy here. Yeah. Well, good thing about him is, we do not push him to excel. We had a family talk nung mag-umpisa na siya mag-schooling in kinder 2 years ago. Sabi ko, walang problema, hindi kailangang maging best, maging top, basta ang importante sa akin, sabi ko sa kanya, I told him, nag-i-enjoy ka sa school, you love what you're doing, you're having fun, you're having friends, yun ang importante. Tsaka pumapasa ka lang, okay na, sabi ko sa kanya. Ayan. Tapos he gave us more than that. It's all him. Hindi namin pinush, hindi namin pag-uwi ng bahay, mag-aral ka ha, pag-aralan mo yung lesson nyo ha, assignment, blah, blah, blah. It's all him, no pressure. He's doing it himself, by himself. Yeah, galing. So we're so proud of you, Bunso, ha? Okay, mabalik na tayo sa radio program. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, bias ako dun eh. Yeah, check the time, 10:40 in the morning. The time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. All right, and hey, they have this ongoing mid-season sale, May 20 to June 30, up to 50% off on selected TCL products, TCL home appliances. Lalong-lalo na aircon, no? Ang init eh, di ba? I know it's raining already, pero init pa rin. Alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, dalawa lang ang weather, hot and very hot. Oh, di ba? Kasi summer ang init eh. Oh, hindi summer, ang init pa rin. So yan, yun. You need aircon. And ito nga TCL, up to 50% off on selected items. Yan, selected home appliances kasama. Alright, visit Royal Duty Free now, Store 1 and Store 2. And the TCL mid-season sale, May 20 to June 30. You have a long way to go, hanggang June 30 pa. Okay? Visit them on their social media pages, Royal Duty Free social media pages, as well as the official catalog, of course, always posted on the official website, www.royalsubic.com. Call them up 2523-258 for more inquiries. Time now for today's holidays and observances. And, of course, the famous birthday segment. Ayan, celebrities and the likes. This segment being brought to you by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. Okay? They got the best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers Wawas Junior is for you. Okay, if you want the delivery hotline para text away na lang or call away, call or text away, 0927-895-9714. For the Lincoln Heights Subdivision, 0927-950-8775. Or visit their official Facebook page and to get you for you to check on the menus, okay? Para makita niyo yung nilalaman ng menu nila, okay? Menu lang pala, hindi menus. Menu is already a list of a lot of different foods. Okay, May 29, Holidays and Observances, International Day of the United Nations Peacekeepers. The Philippines is among the members of this. Meron tayong peacekeepers that belongs to the United Nations. All right. If you guys remember, nagkaroon ng a few years back, nagkaroon ng standoff sa Golan Heights before sa ano yun sa border ng Israel and Pakistan di ba? Yeah. Before the war back then. Lagi naman kasing mataas ang tensyon diyan sa border na yan. So dun sa Golan Heights, may Filipino international peacekeepers na naka-assign. Keeping the peace, neutral yon kasi United Nations nga di ba? Parang referee ang taga-awat. Kunyari mainit yung kabila, tapos sa kabila din ang init din. Sabi ng Filipino peacekeepers, mga pare, cool lang kayo. Huwag masyado mainit. Yun, ganun sila, umaawat lang. They're in the middle. Pero mahirap na trabaho yun. Ha? Yun nga, you're in the middle. Paano pag nagkaputukan yun? You're in the middle. Diba? Yan. Kaya salute tayo sa ating Filipinos that belongs to the United Nations International Peacekeepers Force. Okay. What else? May 29 is also Alligator Day. I hate alligators. I would never have it as pet. Pero sa mga lovers ng alligators, I know they're important in the ecosystem. Kasama sila sa mga importante na nasa ecosystem natin. National Alligator Day. Ayan, okay? Iba yung ito yung dilemma most of the time. Ito yung iba po ang alligator, iba ang crocodile. Ayan. Paano malaman ang difference? A crocodile will see you in a while an alligator will see you later. Now you know. Aside from that, World Otter Day, the otter. Okay? You know what? One cool fact about otters, sila? Loyal sila for life sa magiging partner nila. They don't go around partnering with another otter. Loyal sila. Tapos, di ba they dwell on the water. Magaling silang, they're great swimmers. They live on water, they live on land. When they sleep in the water, minsan, natutulog sila sa water. They have the capability to sleep in the water via floating. Yung ginagawa natin pag nag-swimming tayo, nagpa-floating tayo, di ba? Sila rin, they're excellent floaters. Yung mag-partners na otter, when they sleep in the water and they do floating habang natulog, they hold hands. Alam niyo ba yon? So that they won't drift away from each other. Di ba? Kasi totoo yun dahil tayo nga humans natulog ka lang, paggising mo may iba na sila ginagawa nila yun. When they sleep in the water, they hold hands so that they won't drift away. Hindi sila magkakalayo. Paggising nila, magkasama pa rin sila dahil nakalock yung hands nila when they sleep in the water. Di ba? Buti pa ang otter, may forever. May 29 is also Composting Day. What else? The Biscuit Day. Anong favorite yung biscuit? Ako ang favorite yung biscuit, yung, pwede ba sabihin yung brand? Huwag ko na sabihin yung brand, i-describe ko na lang. Yung it's butter biscuits. It's a tie between butter biscuits and the pizza flavored biscuit na ang pangalan sige, sabihin ko na nga, Cheez It. Yung international brand na Cheez It kasi may Cheez It na local yung meron sila nun. Okay. Today is also Pink Flamingo Day, Digestive Health Day. Ayan. So those are the holidays and observances for May 29. And for those celebrating the birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. Starting up with Mr. Gestoni Alarcon. I guess you guys know already who's Gestoni Alarcon, right? He was born May 29, 1964. Filipino actor. Alright? Naging action star din. Ayan. Si Ali Soto. Actor Ali Soto. May 29, 1961. Filipina actress, radio broadcaster, and former news anchor. Next up, we have Filipino singer Noel Comia Jr. He was born May 29, 2004. Okay? And he also is a TV events host and voice talent. He won the Cinemalaya's Best Actor Award for 2017 for the movie Kiko Boxingero. Okay? And he's the youngest of which to do so. Okay? Former U.S. President John F. Kennedy. May 29, 1917. Talagang former. They stopped him being president. If you guys remember the 1961, I mean the 1963 assassination. There you go. Yeah. He was the only. Was he the only one to be? Oh yeah, meron pa pala si Abraham Lincoln to be assassinated as U.S. President. Okay? Mel B of the Spice Girls, May 29, 1975. TV actor Greg Sulkin. He's in the Wizards of Waverly Place and MTV series Faking It. Alright? Riley Keough is also one of today's birthday celebrants. Turns 35 today. She is the leading lady of what's his name? The pogi macho actor. Si Magic Mike, ayan. Basta yun, si Magic Mike. Siya yung leading lady doon. 35 today. Okay, next up we have basketball player Carmelo Anthony turns 40. Noel Gallagher of Oasis. And he also had his own band, Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds. Alright, talented man. 57 today. Rebby Jackson and Latoya Jackson. Hindi naman sila twin, pero they share the same birthday. Yeah, they're sisters. Rebby is the oldest child in the Jackson family. Alright? Turns 74 today. Si Latoya naman, I don't know kung pangalawa doon kay Rebby or I think so, yeah. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. But she's older than Janet Jackson. Okay? And the thing is, they all look alike. Magkakamukha si Rebby, si Latoya, Janet, isa mukha. Siyempre magkakapatid. And one of the day's most popular NBA player in the Philippines from the Los Angeles Lakers, Austin Reeves. Yes, sa Pinas, napakasikat ni Austin Reeves, no? Turns 26 today. Some say yung laro daw niya kasi parang alam mo yung discarding Pinoy sa basketball o discarding Pinoy na laro style, parang ganon. And actress Micah Moore of Independence, she's in the Independence Day and the horror film It Follows. Turns 31 today. Lastly, happy birthday to Bob Hope. Happy birthday up there, Bob Hope. Very iconic person in the showbiz industry. Right, legendary. Very legendary. Kasi during his heydays, he's a funny man. He is a comedian. He's a funny host. He hosts for the USO, United Services Organization of the USA, kung saan nila-entertain nila yung mga sundalo nila that's stationed around the world. Okay? He passed away 2003 at exactly 100. Okay? He would have been 121 today. Yeah, okay. So, Bob Hope. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you May 29 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
you. Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. Call or text me if you want to. All right? Birthday shout-outs. And for the meantime, here's Noel Gallagher with his band, Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds, with the song AKA What a Life, 895 Subic Bay Radio.